Let me say something that might make you a little uncomfortable, but also incredibly relieved. If you're over 50 and unsure what your next chapter looks like, the problem isn't it's that nobody ever gave you a new operating system for this stage of life. You did what you were supposed to do. You worked, you showed up, and you handled responsibility. And now quietly, you're being told to slow down and to step aside, to just enjoy retirement. But inside, you still want to build. You still want to matter. Here's the real enemy, and nobody is talking about it: confusion. Not lack of ability, not lack of intelligence, and not a lack of motivation. Just too many options, too much noise, and no clear direction. I work with people in this exact season of life: veterans, retirees, professional caregivers, people who don't want hype, they want translation from real world experience into modern tools and simple systems that actually make sense. What works now isn't grinding or reinventing yourself. What works is this: one skill, one system, and one supportive environment. When people stop trying to figure out everything and just focus on the next right thing, confidence comes back, momentum returns, and fear finally quiets down. Imagine waking up knowing exactly what you're learning next. Not everything, just what matters now. Imagine building something that fits your life instead of forcing your life to fit into a particular system. If that sounds like the kind of next chapter you want, well, I've created a free place, the Rebel Den, where people learn skills, get clarity, and stop feeling behind. There's no pressure, no pretending, just a calm place to start. Hey, if you're interested, the link's below. Take the first step when you're ready. Digital Rebel Granny out.